Let's chase some of Europe's most incredible waterfalls. First up, Rhine Falls in Switzerland, Europe's largest waterfall by volume. At around 150 meters wide and 23 meters high, millions of liters of water thunder over the rocks every minute. And the best part, you can get incredibly close to the falls by boat.
Soft light falls on quiet.
Next, we head to Plitvice Lakes in Croatia, a magical world of turquoise lakes, lush forests, and cascading waterfalls. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is made up of 16 interconnected lakes, linked by a series of waterfalls and natural travertine barriers. What makes Plitvice so special is that the landscape is still changing today, as minerals and moss slowly create new barriers and shape the waterfalls. It feels less like a national park and more like stepping into a fairy tale. And finally, Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland, a spectacular valley surrounded by towering cliffs and the Swiss Alps. The valley is famous for its 72 waterfalls, including the iconic Storbock Falls, which drops nearly 300 meters from the cliffs above. With waterfalls cascading down from every direction, Lauterbrunnen offers one of the most dramatic landscapes in the Swiss Alps. And sometimes, the best way to experience Europe is simply to follow the water, discover the views, and let the journey unfold.
Only the sun